In this video, I will show you how you can deactivate your Messenger account in 2020. This works on Android and iOS as well. Now for this to work, you need Messenger and Facebook. So make sure you download the Facebook app as well if you haven't already. And I'll prove that to you guys right now. So if I click on Messenger and then scroll down right there, there's no option to deactivate your account, right? And that's where Facebook comes in. So you want to open Facebook and you want to go to settings, okay? So let me just get rid of this. Let me click on there and then scroll down. You want to click on settings and privacy, and you want to click on settings and then personal information. Click on manage your account. And then right there, you'll see a button that says deactivate. So you want to click on deactivate, and then you need to enter your password. So I'll do that right now. I'm going to blur that for you guys, but then click on continue. And then right there, you can deactivate your Facebook account. So you can do, you can temporarily disable your account. You can also do all of the other stuff. I'm going to do temporary. Click on continue. Then I can select the amount of days. I'll just do 7 days. Click on continue again, and then click on deactivate my account. And there you go, account deactivation successful. So we just deactivated our Facebook account. And if we open up Messenger right now, and then let me just click on continue and then click on your profile icon at the top left corner, you can scroll down and click on legal and policies. And then right there, you'll see deactivate Messenger. So in the beginning of this video, I showed you guys that was not showing up, but because I just deactivated my Facebook account as well, I was able to get that to show up. Now enter your password once again, click on continue, and then right there, you can deactivate your Messenger account on your phone. If you deactivate Messenger, you won't be able to send or receive with friends, messages with friends. Some information will still be visible to others, like your name and past conversations. I'm going to click on deactivate, and there you go, account deactivation successful. Now that's exactly how you can deactivate a Messenger account in 2020 on your phone, Android and iOS. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment down below that this works, and then I'll see you next time. Peace out.